Alright YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and hopefully I can make this one very easy to follow. But I'm here today to show you guys how to make an anime style game HUD, which means head up display. We're going to make a health bar up here with maybe a mana bar under it. So this is going to be kind of like a modern anime style. It's going to be dark but also colorful. So yeah, let's get right into it. I am starting off with a canvas. The size is in pixels 1920 by 1080, as you can see. I'm going to create a new layer, so click this button down here. I'm going to go to my color. I'm just going to select a dark gray like this. The color code is 181818. I'm gonna hit OK. And now if you hit Alt and Backspace on your keyboard, this will fill the background with your foreground color, with this color. Alright, that's good. Now let's hit New Layer. Let's go to our Shapes tool, click and hold until you see Ellipse tool. Just gonna hit that. We're going to go up to fill. We're going to just choose white for now. We're going to change this after. You're going to click and hold anywhere. Alright, now hold Shift and Alt. We're going to scale our ellipse like so. Somewhere around here should be fine. Now we're going to double click the icon of this layer. And we're just going to now we're just going to change the color. So we go from darker gray like so. I'm gonna hit OK. Now let's make a new layer. We're going to right click and hit create mask. As you can see, we're going to go to our brush tool, drop the opacity down to like 40, flow as well down to 40, and make sure the hardness is on 0. We're going to click this to reset our colors and make our foreground color white. I'm going to increase the size of the brush. You just go to size right here or use your bracket keys. This will also adjust the size. Now since our layer is clipped into the ellipse, when we paint, this will limit the brush inside the circle. So I think this looks pretty good. You can also change your color to black and paint a darker shade, like so. You can hit the V key to instantly go to your move tool. This is very helpful as well. And also Control Z to undo. I'm just gonna go to stay on normal actually. Turn the opacity down to, let's see, 35. Looks pretty good to me. Now I'm going to right click on the ellipse layer and go into blending options. And here I'm just going to add a stroke. Okay. Go for a nice gray color, just a nice little outline. Just like so. Looks pretty good. Okay, just size like 4. Now I'm looking for inner shadow, blend mode, normal, opacity all the way up, choke all the way up as well, and change the color to white, and lower the opacity here. Okay. Alright, now we're going to make a pattern. So make a new layer. Let's go back to our ellipse tool. Now on the color white, just so we can see, we're going to make a very tiny circle. Go back to your move tool and hold Alt and Shift as you drag, and this will make a copy. Okay. Now we're gonna hold Control, click on this layer to select both. Hold Alt and Shift, drag this out as well to duplicate. Now we're gonna select all and duplicate. And now we're just going to keep repeating this process. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom out just so we can see what we have. Alright. Now I'm gonna take all of these and I'm going to duplicate down this time. Oops. Let's make sure I get this right. Okay, there we go. control click, repeat, until we get a nice pattern like so. Just keep going a bit more. Alright, we're going to take all of these, shift click, hit control E, and we're going to move all these here. Alright, I'm just going to copy, so control J. This will be for a backup. Just going to place it right here. And take this one, right click and hit mask. Now with this, we could also lower the size, as you can see, and change the color to black. Now we can lower the opacity, and you can see we have a very nice pattern, like so. Now this will be the avatar section. Now we're going to make a new layer, and I'm going to go for my pencil with the shape mode, fill, make sure fill's on, and I'm just going to go click right here, hold shift. I'm just going to click about here, and go down and across. This layer will go under the ellipse. As you can see, this layer we're going to change the color. And now with this one, we could right click and copy this ellipse and hit copy layer style. And then we could go right click and hit paste layer style to paste the same effects. Alright, we can also copy the ellipse pattern and also hit right click and mask. Move this over and we can copy this across, and this is what we have so far. Now to make the health bar, we're just going to simply make a new layer, go back to our pen tool, we're just going to follow the shape. So shift and click to make a straight line. We're going to just go down like so and go across. And with this, let's change the color. Nice dark color. This will be the background of the health bar. I'm going to hit Control J to copy and change the color to red for the actual health bar. Or we go for a green, or you could go for green. It's up to you. I'm just going to stick with red for this one. Now make a new layer. We're going to mask this to the health bar. Take your brush tool, and with the color black, I'm going to click, hold shift, go across, and this will make a gradient like so. Lower the opacity to. We're going to right click the health bar, go into blending options, go for inner shadow, angle, -90, we go for the color black. Just make a nice little shape like that. Boom. I like that. Okay. Scale the health bar like that. Looks pretty good to me. We could copy all this, move this across, and this can be the mana bar. Just change the color. There we go. And that's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If this helps you, make sure to leave a like, and as always, you have to keep yourself organized. So this will be you want to hit Control G to make a group and name this the back plate. So yeah, you can see it looks pretty good. Yeah, hopefully this video helps you learn some stuff. Yeah, leave a like, and I hope to see you guys next time.